Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to use a protractor. When you see it's straight like this, it's just on your 0. And when it's straight up like this, it's 90. If you have a problem, if your protractor is like this and this, it would just count on here. So it's 105. So it could be 85 too. If you like this. So if you don't know how to use a protractor, I can teach you. This was just the first one. Okay. We're going to use the protractor to do things. So now I'm going to make a thing we do. Okay, good. This is the angle we have to measure. First, I put it on the dot. And then this one is 72. So we know this is 72. Or it could be 72, or it could be 100. Yeah. So that's how you use the protractor.